Home remedies to ease period pain naturally. When you are menstruating, it's common to feel discomfort around your abdomen, lower back and thighs. During periods, the muscles of your womb contract and relax in order to shed off the built-up lining. This might result in cramps as your muscles are at work. Some women experience nausea, headaches, diarrhea and vomiting as well. Though doctors have no explanation for why some women experience painful menstruation and others don't. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. There are some factors that are associated with intense period pain. 1. Heavy blood flow. 2. Being under the age of 20, your periods have just started. 3. Overproduction or sensitivity to prostaglandins. We are giving some home remedies that can provide you relief. Last tip is more important. So, watch the video till end. If your pain is unbearable, consult your doctor if this doesn't help. 1. Heat. Placing a hot water bag or a heating pad against your abdomen helps in relieving the cramps by relaxing the muscles. The heat helps the uterine muscles, which eases the discomfort and cramping. 2. Exercise. Although exercise might be the last thing on your mind while you are menstruating, believe us, some gentle workouts during this phase actually prove beneficial. You can do some gentle stretching, go for a walk or do some yoga. Exercising releases endorphins, which helps in neutralizing the pain. 3. Massage with sesame oil. Massaging sesame oil on your abdomen with gentle hands for 20 minutes can also help ease the pain. 4. Ginger and black pepper tea. Ginger and black pepper is a yummy hot concoction for your weight loss cramps. Boil a cup of water and grate some ginger and add black pepper to it. Boil it for 5 minutes, strain and drink hot. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.